The symmetrical components. Interactive calculator transforms three-phase electrical quantities into their symmetrical components for power system analysis. This calculator has four calculation modes: phase values to sequence components to phase values, calculate voltage, Chuch current unbalance factor, and zero sequence impedance from line data. For this demonstration, I'm using phase values to sequence components mode. The input fields are phase A magnitude and phase A angle in degrees, phase B magnitude and phase B angle in degrees, and phase C magnitude and phase C angle in degrees. There are also fields for positive sequence magnitude and angle, negative sequence magnitude and angle, and zero sequence magnitude and angle when converting the other direction. Additional inputs include phase A, B, and C magnitudes for unbalanced calculations, and line parameters like positive sequence resistance and reactance, mutual resistance and reactance, and line length in kilometers. Let's work through an example. I'll enter phase A magnitude of 100 at 10 degrees, phase B magnitude of 100 at 10 degrees, and phase C magnitude of 100 at 120 degrees. After clicking Calculate, we get positive sequence of 54.610 at 35 degrees, negative sequence of 54.610 at negative 85 degrees, and zero sequence of 63.525 at 39.54 degrees. The calculator also shows voltage unbalance at 100% and provides reconstructed phase values. This powerful tool quickly analyzes system asymmetry. Find the link in the description below.